Hi, this is Kathy Wallace. I am a teacher, librarian, and technology integration specialist at Grass Lake Elementary School. Today's video is going to show you how to update your computer. Kent School District computers need to be updated often. I do recommend in our building that students check at least twice a month. It's better if you can do it once a week as just part of a daily routine. The best way to update your computer is to update it at the end of a school day. This way your computer has been open and running for several hours, giving time for Software Center to send out any kind of updates. You do not want to do this first thing in the morning when you first open up your laptop and log on. It almost never works if you try to do it that way. So again, just make it part of your routine at the end of a school day, maybe on a Wednesday, since it's an early release. You can log on to your computer, do your school day on Wednesday, and then when your teacher dismisses you, say, okay, today's the day I update my computer. The way that you do this is on your desktop, you see an icon that says Computer Help. It has a little blue cross in the middle. You want to double click on that and open it up. You'll get this dialog box that shows you the health of your computer. If you're missing updates or if your computer has been running for more than 4 or 5 days without being restarted, your health indicator might be red. This update will take care of that. What you do is you click on the Tools menu, and then there's 3 buttons that we're going to push to update our computer. We're going to push the drives and shortcuts, the Windows updates, and the Software Center. All 3 of those buttons need to be clicked in order for you to do a full refresh of your computer and make sure that everything's working in tip-top shape. If you've been doing your Windows updates and clicking this button once a week, usually this is what will happen. No updates found. Windows updates usually are pretty big and take place about every month and a half or so, sometimes a little bit longer, but it's good to check every time. After your drivers have updated, you'll see this successful button. If it says failed, that's okay. This next step is going to help with that. This last button is the Software Center, and that's where all of our updates come from. So this one takes the longest to complete. We just need to wait until it's done refreshing. It can take up to 5 minutes. That's okay. We just hang out and wait until it has finished. And so I'm going to pause our video and wait for that button to finish. Okay, so it was about 4 minutes to wait for my Software Center to finish refreshing. It's done now, and the button just goes back to how it looked when we first logged in. And at this point, I want to click the Restart button. Every week, you want to do especially this Restart button. This will allow Software Center to push out any updates without you going through this process. And automatically update your computer. If you just leave it on all the time, or if you only shut down your computer, those updates will not be able to take effect. So at this point, you click the Restart button and your computer will finish updating, and your computer will be in tip-top shape when you log back in and ready for you to do online learning. If you have any questions about this video or any other technology matter, you can please give me a call here in the library. My phone number at the Grass Lake Library is 253-373-2548. Thanks so much.